I'm Chris Dehmer. I'm with Dark Horse Woodworks here in Atlanta. I'm also on the board of directors for the Cabinet Makers Association, currently serving as the president. I've been on the board for the last 5 years. So here at Dark Horse, we specialize in contemporary cabinetry for residential mostly. About 95% of our work is done in homes, maybe even more than that most years. We tend to do projects that are not normal, I guess is a word for it. We're able to do some things that other shops that are very high production don't want to take the time to slow down and figure out how to do. Our machinery is very well set up for doing the modern work, and we like the very particular preciseness, I guess is a better word, the preciseness that's required for those projects. Dark Horse Woodworks is located in downtown Atlanta. We're about a mile from the Capitol building. We chose where we are for a few reasons. One was proximity to where my residence, so it's easy to get here. But also our clientele is within about a 5-mile circle of where we are at right now. So I've had the Cobras for about 4 years now. It's a really big deal to me that this machine was made in America. My father was in the military. I come from a military family, obviously. So that's a big deal to me. It's important. We buy everything we can domestically. Some things you can't, but when we can, we do. Owning the Cobra for us, it's really made us more efficient. We outsourced the cutting of parts to another shop. And when we brought that in-house, instead of having a giant pallet full of parts that we had to sort through to then resort, now we can bring stuff down, we cut the parts, they go through the edge bander, and we're ready to assemble. Where before it took a day to sort through those parts. We've also started cutting parts for a few of the other shops in the complex. So it's opened up that business for us. And we're able to do a lot more unique things, some inserts and items that go inside cabinets. We're making them in-house now that we never used to do before. Support has been wonderful. We haven't had very many issues at all. The ones we've had have mostly been self-induced. When we have, we've gotten answers right away. There was a part that we needed, and I was able to just drive up to the factory and get a part, and I was back here 2 hours later and we were running again. I wouldn't even consider another machine now. It's been reliable. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is all I'm after. Support is huge to me. When I'm buying a new machine, I look at what support is available. And for me, that's a huge factor, and that's been tremendous. So I wouldn't even consider another machine.